Now Brooks a three. That's off everything, and back the other way comes Power Ibas. Tries to find Craig, cherry picking. He does. Who throws it down? Yeah, another look here at this dunk from Craig. Eric Hanga working at the top of the key. Difficult spinning bucket. Couldn't get it to go though. Adam Hanga leaves for Dotson. Dotson, good feed inside to Tomic, and he'll make money there all day long. If you're Alessandro Magro, and a quick timeout. You could almost even see Trayshawn Thurman there. Cassius Robertson comes away with it, looking to push, and he does. Leaves for Pustovi, who finishes with the left hand, and we're tied up at 25 points apiece. Doing better. Then Cassius Robertson feeds Kristupas Zamatas, and Wolves are just feeling it in this quarter. Badalona looking to weather the storm, and who else? Ante Tomic. Vivas cross court. Toe on the line, I think, for that long two. He needs stops. Let's start with a bucket here. Good catch by Ruzic to keep that one in. Spinning, twisting jump shot. He's got a great Dotson entry pass. Tipped around. Tomic comes away with it. Gets it ahead. Euro step and blocked by Ruzic. He's everywhere right now. Trying to get this crowd into it. And now kick out to Miniotis. Really flat-footed shot, but he gets it there. Can't make it though. Dotson entry pass to Ruzic. $11 points. He's become a feature now in the fourth quarter. Kick out, three on the way. That's good from Dotson. We got a whistle away from the action and away from the play. Are they calling that a flop or a dive on Pages? Robertson's going to want to get a three up for sure. And he strokes it.